Ah! Grabe makabuli itong instructor na to. Grabe. Pangalawang lesson for today. Morning at saka afternoon. Another 1.5 hour. Hopefully may gong okay na. God bless me. Oh my God. Shout out Takon Driving School. Nadala akong bumaba tapos umalis din naman pala lang. Kala mo, babe.